Just nice and cool and calm.
You want to walk up and slowly see them?
Well, I'll pull one out.
You want to pull one out?
What about the queen bee?
Well, we probably won't find the queen bee today. Just because as soon as you open the lid, she runs and hides.
Hello.
You know what I mean?
Make sure there's no queen comb.
Oh, see, they're filling that one full of pollen, which is good.
There's some honey in there too.
Yeah, there's some honey down there.
I said raising over there.
Because they'll keep raising it up. The deeper they are, the better they do. Oh, see all the honey in that one, Benjamin? Up in the corner there? That's all honey. Smell it?
There's a bee on me.
Can you smell it? Yeah, that's okay. He won't sting you. He's interested in flowers, not in people. But you can smell the pollen.
Big time.
I'm allergic to pollen.
Come on, you little bugger. Get out of there. Well, this little bugger here.
All I hear is buzzing.
Yeah, he is. Oh, this is a heavy one.
Oh, no wonder.
Oh my.
Nice.
Oh, there's a bunch of food under. I can see it. Oh, they're like food tar stuff. It's under there. I can see it.
It's okay. Beeswax. That is all fresh, natural.
Wax.
Yeah, they build that.
see,
Oh, there's
the
a. I need to
beeswax,
take
though,
that one out
They
actually.
start drawing it out, but then they have to add their own at the very end. But that bottom part is all there.
Doesn't look like there's any dead guys.
There's always dead guys.
So how does that one have so much on the bottom of the other ones though?
It's
They're
probably
they're
there's
concentrated on
way-
these ones.
No, I mean
The
like
queen.
under, no, I don't
Look at them all there.
the brains itself. I mean the bottom part, right? Like
I'm hearing it's buzzing.
That one's getting heavy too, actually. Ooh, that one's very full.
yeah, but see how the very bottom of that one doesn't have the big build on.
Yeah, but that one is the one where we started it. You have to remember.
No, so they all have that much space at the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's space so they can move around and then they can.
I'm
just
not
cover
seeing
it
any
a little
queen
bit.
pods, so I'm not going to continue ripping it apart today.
I'm thinking because
But there was only on the one the last time, wasn't it?
no, there were a
10,000
couple.
males and 1 female.
No, they were on them all.
Queen bee.
We squished like 5 different slots that time. Yeah, they don't give a shit about you. You're not a flower. You don't have pollen. Don't mess with their queen, and they're basically pretty